You are a conduit to our collective energy, and you are a facilitator in each body, helping find and connect with our individual energy and help bring it back to the collective energy. Mm-hmm.
How does that help someone who feels lost or isolated or depressed?
Well, it makes them understand that we are all part of the same energy. We are all energy. We're all interconnected.
Is it a concept or is it something you're feeling in there?
I'm feeling it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Is that different than you felt an hour ago?
Yes, because it's a reminder. You go around and you feel an isolated human, separated and disconnected. And in your treatment, you help remind people of their own energy and the fact that they are part of the collective energy, and then no one is alone.
And where does the magic come from?
Inside?
Yeah. Instead of?
Outside. Yes. We're all balls of energy. If you could think of like some, almost like this static force field around us. Not in a circular, more like infinity all around us. And then just everyone has that. And it's like this meat sack is in the middle of this energy ball.
Mm-hmm.
And we're bumping into other people's energy balls and not in tune with our own energy all the time. Yeah, what you do is a very special thing.